guys, for today's recipe is magluluto naman ako ng minced pork with tofu. Silken tofu. So, galing kami ni Cookie na malengke muna ng aking mga ingredients. Ayan, nakikita nyo, pagod na ng aking aso at nasa aking likuran. So, ayan, sinama ko siya na namalengke. So, ayan guys, kawawa naman si Cookie. Pagod na siya. Come on, Cookie, you can do it. Malapit na tayo sa gate natin. Ayan, kawawa naman siya. Here we are. So guys, ito yung nabili ko. Meron tayo ditong ingredients na silken tofu. Oh, ayan, at saka garlic, at saka yung ginger natin. And minced chicken. It's not minced pork, sorry to say that earlier. It's minced chicken. Then of course, hindi mawawala ang pepper and salt. So kailangan kong i-marinate ang meat muna. Ayan, i-marinate ko muna yung chicken ng oyster sauce. Ayan. Para mas masarap guys. Then drizzle of sesame oil, pepper and salt. Ayan, i-mix lang natin and set aside for half an hour. Ayan, ganun ako mag-marinate guys. Set aside for half an hour. Once again, ito na yung tofu natin. Na-slice ko na siya. Meron tayong green peas dito at saka half cup of chicken broth. Homemade chicken broth. So, at saka yun, ito na yung marinate natin kanina. So, ayan guys. Ready na iluto. So, ayan. Naglagay lang ako ng 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Ayan. Kung wala kayong olive oil, you can use any oil. Vegetable oil, canola oil, or whatever. Ayan. So, igisa lang natin guys ang ating, unahin natin ay yung ginger natin. Ayan. So, igisa lang natin hanggang lalabas yung aroma niya at saka yung sibuyas din natin. Sibuyas, no, sorry, it's a garlic I should say. Ayan. So, gisain lang natin to hanggang sa magiging brown siya. So, ayan yung garlic. Ihalo na din natin hanggang sa maging brown. So, ready na yung ginger natin. So, mix na natin yung chicken, minced chicken na na-marinate natin kanina. Lutuin lang natin ito bago natin ilagay yung mga rest of the ingredients. Now, it's time to mix the chicken broth. Ayan, half cup of chicken broth. Hayaan na natin siyang kumulo muli ng 2 minuto bago natin ilagay ang rest of the ingredients. So, ayan. Ang next na natin ilagay yung ating green peas. Ayan. So, optional yun guys. Pero anyway guys, this is my own version. So, it's up to you if you want to put some vegetables or what do you call that? Or without the green peas, it's okay. Now, let's put now the ingredients. The tofu, the last. Yan. Silken tofu. So, ayan lang natin, pakuluin lang natin ito hanggat maluto yung ating tofu. Then, guys, para lumapot yung ating gravy, nilagyan ko siya ng cornstarch. It's not 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with a bit of dissolved in 1 tablespoon of water. Ayan. So, i-drizzle lang natin siya para magiging malapot yung ating gravy. So, ayan guys, i-mix lang natin. At hindi na ako nagdagdag ng pepper and salt. So, ganun ako guys, tansyado na. So, it's up to you. Salt and pepper is pwede nyong dagdagan, depende sa inyong lasa. So, ayan. So, another maybe 2 minutes, then it's ready na for my lunch. So once again, thank you so much again for watching na laging nandyan para sa akin. And please, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, do subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up, comments, share, and ring the bell para ma-notify ka sa mga susunod ko pang mga upload. So thank you so much guys, and bye for now. Bye. Thanks for watching.